The shower profile S and R are profiles designed to cover adjoining tile edges and exposed wall areas as the shower floor slopes to the Curdy-Line linear drain. The shower profile S finishes the area between the floor and the first course of wall tile in a way that eliminates cutting wedges of tile and ensures a consistent elevation of the first course of wall tile. The shower profile R covers the exposed wall area where the floor slopes down to the perimeter of the drain. They provide an elegant, clean finish for your installation. These specialty profiles come in 2 parts and in various sizes to accommodate different tile formats and designs. Knowing your shower dimensions and tile thickness and format are critical when ordering shower profile S and R. You will need this information on hand in order to select the proper profile size. Let's get started. For the shower profile S, we will need the tile thickness as well as the length required. In our example, we cut the 55-inch by 55-inch Curdy-Line shower tray to 51 3/4 inch and are installing the line drain at the back wall. For the shower base, we are using large format tiles that are 3/8 of an inch thick. Typically, with large format tile, a thicker layer of setting material is used. Keep in mind, this will raise the overall height of the tile, so we may need to go up a size with our profile. Now that we have our measurements, we can take a look at the illustrated price list. The first column, H, is for the thickness of the floor tile and setting material. Here, we can see that the shower profile SA has a height of 3/16 of an inch, and for the SB, we have a choice of 3/8 of an inch or 1/2 inch. We will choose the SB version, since it can accommodate 1/2 inch thick coverings. Our shower sides are 51 3/4 of an inch long, so we will need to choose the SB in a 63-inch length, as the 47 1/4 inch size would be too short. The last value we need to check is the required height at both ends of our sidewall. As long as those fall between the ranges indicated as H1 and H2 in our chart, we are good to go. We need 5/8 of an inch at the curb, H1, and 1 1/2 inch at the inside corner, H2. So we would order the shower profile SB number SP-SB 125 EB/160. Remember that you will have to order 2, 1 for each side of the shower. In our shower, the shower profile R will go along the back wall. If you know the height from the tray to the first row of wall tiles, we will use this along with the width of the back wall to determine the proper size. In our example, we know our tray width is 51 3/4 of an inch, L, and the height, H, is 1 5/8 of an inch. Going back to our price list, we see that the shower profile R is offered in 2 lengths and 2 heights. Since we require a length of 51 3/4 of an inch, we will select the 55-inch profile and cut it to length during installation. Our height of 1 5/8 of an inch means that we can't use the shorter option with a maximum height of 1 3/8 of an inch. But we'll need to order the taller profile that accommodates a maximum height of 1 25/32 of an inch. So we will choose the SP-RA 33EB/140 for the shower profile R. If you do not know the height from the tray to the first row of wall tiles, you can still determine the size you will need for the shower profile R. We know the length of the back wall is 51 3/4 of an inch. So we will select the 55-inch profile and cut it to length during installation. Then we need to take a look at the H2 value of the shower profile SB we selected earlier and see that it is 1 21/32 of an inch. Moving back to the shower profile R section in the price list, we need to select the range that will accommodate that H2 value. We select the profile that accommodates a maximum height of 1 25/32 of an inch. So again, we will choose the SP-RA 33EB/140 for the shower profile R. The Shower Profile S and R can be straightforward to select, provided that you have your tile thickness and format and shower dimensions predetermined. With that information, you can use the illustrated price list to easily order what you need for your installation. To learn how to install these profiles, check out our Schluter Curdy Line installation video. If you still have questions, please contact our customer support specialists. For more information on Schluter products, visit schluter.com or check our YouTube channel to view our videos.